Hello and welcome to my channel Learn with Upasana. And today's topic of the video is Microsoft Word Basic to Advanced Part 2. In my previous video, I have explained you about how to open the MS Word. After opening the MS Word, this is the first screen you got here. These all are the main components of MS Word. Let us understand various important part of window one by one. So first is File tab. File tab replaces the Office button from the Word 2007. You can click and check the file related operations here like open or save files, like create a new document or print the document, etc. Next is Quick Access Toolbar. It contains the commands that you frequently used like save, undo, redo buttons. Next is Ribbon. Ribbon is placed just below the title bar. It contains various tabs such as Home, Insert, Page Layout, View, etc. Tabs are further divided into groups, and each group contains the set of related command. For example, group of command related to font and group of command related to alignment. Next is the title bar. Title bar lies in the middle and the top of the window. It shows the program and document title, or you can say the document name. Next is the ruler. MS Word contains two types of ruler, horizontal ruler and the vertical ruler. Horizontal ruler is used to adjust the margin from left and the right of the work area, and whereas the vertical ruler is used to adjust the margin from top or the bottom of the work area. Now next is help icon. It can be used to get the MS Word related help anytime you like. Next is dialog box launcher. It appears as a very small arrow in the lower right corner of many groups on ribbon. When you click this small arrow, it opens a dialog box that provides you more options. Next is document area. This is the area where you can type, and in the last is the status bar. It appears at the bottom of the window. It displays the page number and the number of the word typed on the left side. On the right side, the zoom slider bar and the view option are present. MS Word provides the 5 different type of view. First is print layout view. This displays the pages exactly as they will appear when printed. Next is full screen reading view. It gives full screen view. Next is web layout view. It shows how document appear when viewed by the web browser like Internet Explorer. Next is outline view. This view shows the different level of headings like title in your document. Each heading in this view shown by the symbols. Next is draft view. This view displays just the text in your document without margin or page break and other element. For example, header, footer and are not shown. In my next video, I will explain you about the selecting the text, cutting and pasting the text, copying and pasting the text, text alignment and the highlighting the text. These all topics I will show you in the next video on my laptop screen. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, share and press the bell icon.